Why do thousands of male bees suddenly flood Sydney hives each summer? Here's the secret. Drone bees don't forage, defend, or make honey, but every hive needs them in summer. Drones exist for one reason: to mate with a queen from another colony. As the days heat up, you'll spot larger, rounder bees lumbering at the hive entrance or gathering on frames inside. They don't have stingers and can't collect nectar, but their presence signals a healthy, growing colony. Why keep so many? Summer is peak mating season. Strong hives raise drones, so new queens, produced in spring swarms or splits, can mate and ensure genetic diversity across Sydney's bee populations. But these males are costly. They consume precious honey stores and don't contribute to food gathering or hive defense. Here's the catch. If nectar runs low, the colony will start to evict drones as autumn nears. Watch for drones being pushed out or ignored by workers as the hive prepares for cooler months. This is Sydney's natural cycle of hive survival and reproduction. This is what Sydney's bees need right now.